My name is Wendy Marce. I'm a research director at Virginia State University. I'm also principal investigator for a project that aims to reduce the spread and adverse impacts of an invasive plant called Parthenium hysterophorus in Ethiopia and throughout East Africa. The project is funded by the United States Agency for International Development, popularly known as USAID, through the Integrated Pest Management Innovative Lab at Virginia Tech. Parthenium is an aggressive invader that has invaded pasture lands, crop fields, and homesteads throughout Ethiopia since the late 1970s. Parthenium reduces the yield of food crops, displaces pasture species, and also creates health problems for many people. When livestock feed on this weed, it taints their milk and meat, thereby reducing the value of these products in the market. The focus of this project is testing and introducing natural enemies that can feed on this plant. One of these natural enemies of Parthenium, which has been tested and introduced to Ethiopia, is a beetle called Zygogramma bicolorata. Zygogramma bicolorata feeds on the leaves and flowers of Parthenium without attacking any other plants. In the last 5 years, this beetle has been mass reared and released throughout Ethiopia to control this weed. In all these areas, the beetle only fed Parthenium without affecting crop fields or desirable plants. One of these areas where the beetle has been released is around Arba Minch in southern Ethiopia. My colleague, Ms. Lydia Alamayo, will show you how the beetle affected Parthenium and how the vegetation started to come up 6 months after the release of Zygogramma.
My name is Lydia. I'm working on Parthenium biological control. This is Amibara State Farm, which is located in Arba Minch, southern part of Ethiopia. 6 months before, this area was highly infested in Parthenium weed. So what we introduced Zygogramma bicolorata, which is leaf-feeding beetle, about 5,800 adults during July 2nd, 2019. Then within 6 months, as you can see from the field, they defoliate every Parthenium. So here we can see they only feed on Parthenium, not other species or other plant species or other weed species. Every other vegetation is coming up or the vegetation is recovering. Zygogramma is moved to another field where they can find Parthenium.
I would like to thank all individuals who helped us implement this project in Ethiopia and throughout East Africa. I particularly like to thank my colleagues in South Africa who helped us to trade staff and introduce Zygogramma bicolorata to Ethiopia. Finally, I again thank USAID for funding this project and colleagues at Virginia Tech for helping us implement this project on the ground.